Introducing the latest tactile switch from Wuque Studio, the Wuque Studio Light Tactile Switches. These switches sport a gorgeous deep blue color that's sure to turn heads and feature a top PC, POM stem, and nylon bottom construction. With a bottom-out force of just 55 grams, these switches provide a comfortable and satisfying typing experience. They've also been pre-lubed by the manufacturer, ensuring a smooth and consistent feel. Have you had a chance to try out light tactile switches yet? What are your thoughts? I'm Switches Review, and I'll see you guys in the next video.